Sorry?
Okay.
On instructions of Acting Inspector General of Police, we are conducting workshops and seminars for officers in charge of police stations and senior gazetted officers of territorial police divisions, districts and provinces in order to enhance their knowledge on the existing situation, especially the parliamentary election law and quarantine law. This morning we came to Jaffna to conduct a workshop for the police officers, officers in charge of police stations and senior gazetted officers of Jaffna and Kilinochchi districts. We are conducting this workshop along with the officials of Election Commission and the chairman of Election Commission and the Election Commissioner General, the territorial assistant election commissioners. They also tender their fullest support and cooperation to us in order to conduct this election seminars and workshops. And the situation in Jaffna at the moment is normal, and all officers in charge of police stations in Jaffna and Kilinochchi districts, so they are implementing the election law in the proper way, and some complaints have been received in respect of election law violation. However, the police has taken immediate and prompt action against the wrongdoers, and especially we instructed our officers in charge of police stations to implement the election law in the proper way, impartially, and to uphold the franchise of the general public of this area. So we ensure police would implement election law in the proper way in order to uphold the rights of franchise of the general public of this area. In addition to that, this afternoon we are going to conduct another workshop in Vavuniya for the officers in charge of Mullaitivu, Vavuniya and Mennar districts on the same subject. So the Acting Inspector General of Police intends to continue with workshops, these workshops throughout the country in order to enhance the knowledge and skills of officers in charge of police stations, especially on the election law. So our main objective is to support the authorities, especially the Election Commission, to conduct a free and fair election.
So now the situation is good. In Sri Lanka, some districts in COVID-19 virus is spreading in some areas.
Yeah.
What do you say in North people in this situation?
So, so far, I think the health authorities, they have not identified this northern province as a vulnerable area, but especially the COVID positive cases had been discovered from Kandakadu rehabilitation camp. So, however, as you all know, especially Sri Lanka, we were able to control the COVID-19 situation in comparison to other countries. The world number one is the United States in comparison to COVID-19 cases. Number two is Brazil, and our neighboring country India is the number third. So therefore, the COVID-19 risk has not been eliminated from the world. The risk is there. So one day the World Health Organization will announce that the COVID-19 has been eliminated, no more COVID-19. So until such period, so we need to obey with the rules and regulations of quarantine procedures. So especially, so we would like to make a request from you to keep the social distancing every time, at least 1 meter between two individuals, and apart from that, every time constantly you have to wash your hands, and apart from that, wear a face mask. So these are the special instructions that we can convey to you. So we are a one nation, and we need to work together, especially on behalf of the Sri Lanka Police. I would like to make this request from our brothers and sisters of Jaffna, and especially our brothers and sisters of the northern province. Adhere with quarantine rules and regulations every time in order to eliminate this pandemic.
So now this is the second round is starting COVID-19, but some Vietnam peoples and other DC peoples are now fearing coronavirus. The election will be conducted August 5. Do you think this election, fruit and fairful election will be?
Yes, because the health authorities, according to health authorities, they have taken all the possible actions in order to prevent spreading COVID-19. So therefore, with their guidelines, with their assistance, the election commission has decided to conduct this election. So we don't think that there would be a problem, because but every time all the citizens, they have to obey with quarantine rules and regulations. They have to adhere with the instructions given by health authorities, especially the health ministry, and apart from that, territorial PHIs or the medical officers, MOH officers. So we believe that there would not be a problem in respect of this issue.
In this election day, the Jaffna Peninsula, victims taking place in Swat and Rava and what about?
Yeah. So this morning we had a discussion with the senior DIG in charge of this province, and on one hand we are conducting, implementing special operations in order to conduct a free and fair election, and apart from that, the senior DIG has informed all the officers in charge of police station to take actions in order to prevent this armed, especially in order to prevent incidents in respect of some groups that are operated in this area. So on one hand, we are going to conduct operations to implement election law, and on the other hand, other operations are continuously conducted in order to apprehend the perpetrators, the wrongdoers in this province. So if there is information on that, so definitely if somebody has violated the election law, so definitely if it is intimated, the police can conduct an investigation on that. The health ministry has issued some guidelines, and it has been published in the website of health ministry. So there are guidelines, rules and regulations. But apart from that, there will be a notification in the near future. So accordingly, so if it is published, it's a quarantine regulation or quarantine rule. If somebody is reluctant or somebody do not adhere with quarantine rules and regulation, so he commits an offense. So accordingly, police will act. Okay.